Hello everyone. Today I'm here at Willow River State Park. It's December 15th and we have 3 weather advisories today. First one for dense fog, second one for high winds, third for thunderstorms. Yeah, that's right, thunderstorms here in Wisconsin in December. Kind of unheard of, but they're on their way. Should be here in an hour or two, so I'm gonna try and beat the storm and go down and see the waterfall. Let's go do it. Alright, so I don't normally take the main trail, usually cut through the woods here. Super slushy. Glad I wore my waterproof shoes. It's a bit slick. That fog they were talking about. Waterfall is right around the corner here. You can hear it. We made it, guys. Pretty foggy, but I can still see the falls. Look at that. I'll get a little bit closer. Alright, here's where we cut down over here to get closer to the falls. Looks so cool right now. Kind of eerie with the mix of fog and all the snow. Alright. Head back to the car now. Oh man, the rain's starting, guys. Fog's rolling in thicker. High winds will probably be right behind it. Probably gonna fall going up this. Super slick. Alright. Made it back up to the top here. And hurry up and get back to the car before we get soaked. Hey guys, I made it back to the car. The rain slowed down, so that's good. I forgot to start my watch when I began the hike, so not sure exactly how far I went, but I think it was about a half mile. I was here about 20 minutes. Really short trip, but it was worth seeing the waterfall with all the fog and everything. That was cool. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. We'll see you next time.